How to make dog hair grow back faster, a complete guide. Is your furry friend experiencing hair loss? Whether it's due to allergies, medical conditions, seasonal shedding, or grooming mishaps, watching your dog lose its beautiful coat can be concerning. Fortunately, there are effective ways to encourage healthy and rapid hair regrowth. In this guide, we will walk you through everything you need to know about how to make your dog's hair grow back faster. Step-by-step guide to helping your dog's hair grow back faster. 1. Provide a nutrient-rich diet. Diet plays a significant role in hair growth. Ensure your dog is getting all the essential nutrients needed for a healthy coat. Protein. Hair is primarily made of protein, so high-quality sources like chicken, fish, and eggs can promote hair regrowth. Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Found in fish oil and flaxseed, these nutrients improve coat health and reduce inflammation. Vitamins A, E, and B complex. These vitamins support skin and hair follicle health. Biotin and zinc, essential for strengthening hair and preventing excessive shedding. 2. Keep your dog hydrated. Water is crucial for overall health, including skin and coat condition. Ensure your dog has access to clean, fresh water at all times. 3. Use supplements for hair growth. Some supplements are specifically designed to improve coat health. Consider adding fish oil or flaxseed oil for omega fatty acids, probiotics to improve digestion and nutrient absorption, biotin supplements to strengthen hair follicles, collagen or gelatin for improving skin elasticity and fur growth. 4. Groom your dog regularly. Proper grooming stimulates the skin and hair follicles, encouraging regrowth. Brush daily. Brushing removes dead hair and increases blood circulation to the skin. Use the right brush. For short-haired dogs, use a rubber brush. For long-haired breeds, use a slicker or pin brush. Avoid overbathing. Excessive washing can strip natural oils, leading to dry skin. Bathe your dog only when necessary with a gentle, moisturizing shampoo. 5. Choose the right shampoo and conditioners. Using a good quality shampoo can make a huge difference in coat health. Oatmeal-based shampoos help soothe irritated skin. Aloe vera and coconut oil shampoos provide hydration and nourishment. Medicated shampoos. If your dog has a skin condition, consult a vet for a specialized shampoo. 6. Apply natural remedies. Several natural remedies can encourage faster hair regrowth. Coconut oil acts as a moisturizer and promotes a healthy coat. Aloe vera soothes irritation and helps with hair regrowth. Apple cider vinegar. Diluted with water, it can help with itchiness and promote healthier skin. Olive oil helps reduce inflammation and nourishes hair follicles. 7. Address underlying health conditions. If hair loss is due to a medical issue like hypothyroidism, Cushing's disease, or infections, veterinary intervention is necessary. Your vet may prescribe medication or recommend lifestyle changes to manage the condition. 8. Reduce stress and anxiety. Stress-related hair loss can occur due to major life changes, separation anxiety, or boredom. Reduce stress by providing mental and physical stimulation, sticking to a consistent routine, using calming aids like pheromone diffusers or anxiety wraps. Final thoughts. Helping your dog regrow its hair requires patience, consistency, and proper care. By providing a balanced diet, regular grooming, and addressing any underlying issues, you can significantly improve your dog's coat health. If in doubt, always seek veterinary advice to ensure your furry friend gets the best possible care. Would you like to learn more? Leave a comment below with your questions or experiences, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pet care.